The status bar displays general information about the SAP system, as well as the current status of the transaction or task that you are working on, such as warnings and errors. You can also change the display variant to show, for example, the transaction code of the transaction you are currently using.
A session is basically another SAP instance on your screen. Multiple sessions allow you to work on more than one task at a time. This can save you time and reduce the need to jump from screen to screen. You can open up to 6 sessions and do a different task or even the same task in each one. You can move around between the open sessions and you can close any session without having to log off from the system. In this demonstration, you will view 2 methods for creating multiple sessions. In the SAP Easy Access screen, click the Creates New Session icon. From the main menu, choose System, Create Session. In another method, enter /O in the command field and press Enter. The Overview of Sessions window opens. Click the tab Generate.
This lesson is now complete. You should be able to navigate through the SAP system, add transactions to the Favorites menu, and create multiple sessions.
The last lesson in this unit will explain the different forms of help in the SAP system. We will show you how to search help for the information that you need and how you can personalize the user interface.
SAP systems offer comprehensive online help. You can access help from each screen in the system by choosing Help from the menu bar. You can always request help with the Help menu or with the appropriate button. In SAP Library, you can see the online documentation for your reference. This demonstration will teach you about system-level help options. In the SAP Easy Access screen, choose SAP menu. Logistics. Click on the Get Help icon. You have now accessed the online SAP library documents and extensive and comprehensive help.
You can choose the F1 key to display explanations of fields, menus, functions, and messages. You can also choose the F1 help to display the technical information for a particular field, including the parameter ID.
This demonstration will show you the F1 and F4 help options. In the SAP Easy Access screen, choose SAP menu. Accounting, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable, Master Records. Double-click Display. The Customer Display initial screen opens. The F1 help displays explanations of fields, menus, functions, and messages, and also technical information. F4 displays possible input values. Place the cursor in the Customer field and press the F1 key. The Performance Assistant screen opens. In the screen, you can see several help options, such as the Technical Information option. Click on it to view. Close this and the Performance Assistant screen. Again, place the cursor in the Customer field and press F4 key. The Customer Account Number screen opens. Here, you can search for customers using different criteria. For example, by company code. For this, click the Customers by Company Code tab. For Company Code, enter 1000, and for Customer, type in Customer followed by an asterisk. This means that you want a display of all customer numbers for Company Code 1000. Click Continue. The system displays a list of all customers with Company Code 1000. You can use F4 to display possible input values. Alternatively, you can open the F4 help by pressing the button directly to the right of the selected field. If a field is filled with a check mark, the system can only continue to process the task once you have entered a permitted value in the field. With transactions or screen variants in customizing, users can specify whether fields in a task should be marked as required, optional, or hidden with default values. This demonstration will show you how to personalize the user interface. In the SAP Easy Access screen, choose System, User Profile, Own Data. The Maintain User Profile screen opens. Click the Parameters tab. In the Parameter tab page, now displayed, type in values for the parameter ID and parameter value. Then press Enter. Save your entries. Click on Back to return to the SAP Easy Access screen. Here, click the Customize Local Layout icon and then select Options. In the Options window, click the Options tab. Here, check the Options dialog box at Success Message, dialog box at Warning Message, and dialog box at Error Message. Click OK. You have now customized your user interface by choosing these options.
SAP provides several options with which you can customize the working environment in your system. You can change the Easy Access screen's layout, track your input history, choose a pop-up window to display status messages instead of the status bar, choose how data are displayed, and adjust the color and behavior of the screens and the fields.
You have come to the end of this lesson, which explained the different forms of help in the SAP system. You should now be able to use help to search for the information that you need and personalize the user interface.
Now that this unit is over, you should be able to log on to any SAP system and navigate within the SAP Easy Access screen, differentiate between the SAP Standard menu and the role-based user menu, add a transaction to your favorites menu, create multiple active sessions, use the different help options in the SAP system, and personalize the user interface.
You can assess your progress by answering these questions whenever you are ready. Welcome to Unit 3. In the previous unit, you were given the necessary information and instruction to create a new logon entry in SAP and navigate within the system. This unit will explain some system-wide concepts in SAP and introduce you to IDES.
In this lesson, we will discuss various terminologies and master data within the SAP system. In addition to this, we will talk about transactions in SAP and also discuss IDES.
The slide depicts a typical enterprise structure in the SAP system. The enterprise structure is created through the allocation of organizational levels to each other. These organizational levels are the structures that represent legal or organizational views of a company. Let us now discuss some of the terms that denote the organizational structures within the SAP system. Client is the highest hierarchical level within SAP. From a business viewpoint, the client represents a corporate group. Controlling area is an accounting unit, which subdivides the business organization from the cost accounting standpoint. Company code is the smallest organizational unit of external accounting. It represents an independent unit producing its own balance sheet, such as a company within a corporate group. Company code is necessary from a legal perspective because of tax needs, salary payment purpose, currency exchange, and so on. Organizational unit is a functional unit in an enterprise, such as marketing department. Positions are the individual employee assignment in an organization, such as vice president, director, and so on. Persons occupy these positions. Sales organization is an organizational unit which groups the enterprise according to the requirements of sales and distribution. It represents the sales facility or sales subsidiary. Division is used to group materials and services, and it can represent a certain product group or product line. Plant represents the location from which materials and services are distributed. It corresponds to a distribution center. Storage location is a place where materials are stored. It has to be unique for a specific plant.
Internet Demonstration and Evaluation System, or IDES, is a demonstration system developed and used by SAP and its customers. SAP AG's IDES is an international manufacturing company and has several business branches and branch-specific subsidiaries worldwide. Business processes are fully set up and include all core areas such as purchasing, sales, marketing, and manufacturing. IDES AG produces a number of products at different locations, but the deliveries are made from the nearest center.
Master data records are central repositories of basic information that can be accessed in different contexts. The customer master data contains all information necessary for processing orders, deliveries, invoices, and customer payments. This can be categorized into 3 levels: client data, sales area data, and company code data. The client or general data, such as the name and address of the client, is necessary for sales and distribution as well as for accounting. It is valid for all organizational units within a client. The company code data include the general ledger account number, payment parameters, dunning information, and insurance. This information is relevant for accounting and is valid for the particular company code. The sales area data include information on the sales organization, distribution channel, and division. This is necessary for sales and distribution. Sales area data include sales, shipping, billing parameter, and partner functions.
In this demonstration, you will learn how to display the customer master data. In the SAP Easy Access screen, follow the menu path. SAP menu. logistics, sales and distribution, master data, business partner, customer, display. Double-click complete. The customer display initial screen opens. This screen enables you to fill in the details of the customer whose master record you wish to view. Accordingly, enter values for the fields customer, company code, sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Press enter to display the master data of this customer. The customer master record has data arranged under general data, company code data, sales area data, and additional data. The screen that opens displays general data of the customer master record. This data is classified in tab pages such as address, control data, and so on. You can scroll to view the data in the entire page. Now, choose the Company Code Data Push button. The Display Customer Company Code Data screen opens, displaying data in tabbed pages like Account Management. Now, select the Sales Area Data Push button. The Display Customer Sales Area Data screen displays sales-related data classified into sales, shipping, billing documents, and also partner functions. You can click Exit to return to the SAP Easy Access screen.
The Material Master Record stores all key information pertaining to the materials managed by your company. Material Master data include basic data regarding the material, sales and distribution data, storage location of the material, purchasing data, accounting, costing, and warehouse management data. As you can see from the slide, a majority of the components of the Material Master are similar to that of the Customer Master Record, though there is a difference in the function. The client or basic data are relevant for all sales areas and are valid for all organizational units within a client. The material number, base unit of measure, and division are some of the client data in the Material Master. The sales organization data, such as the plant, material group, sales unit, tax classifications, and product hierarchy, are necessary for sales and distribution. This information is valid for the respective sales organization and distribution channels. The distribution channel is the way in which you reach the material to the end customer, for example, via a wholesaler, retailer, and distributor. The plant data contain information about stock valuation, prognosis planning and purchasing parameters, availability check, transport group, loading group, and so on. This information is also relevant for sales and distribution and is valid for respective delivering plant. A storage location is a place where you physically store the materials. In the Material Master, this grouping includes data for the physical inventory of materials, inventory management, requirement planning, and so on. In this demonstration, you will learn how to display the Material Master data. In the SAP Easy Access screen, choose SAP Menu, Logistics, Materials Management, Material Master, Material, Display. Double-click Display Current. The Display Material Initial screen opens. To display the master record for a particular material, Enter the material number and click on the Select Views button. In the dialog box that is displayed, select the views that you want the master record to display. In our demonstration, these are Basic Data 1, Sales Organization Data 1, and Plant Stock. Then click on Continue. The Organizational Levels dialog box opens. Now enter the values for the organizational levels, plant, sales organization, and distribution channel. Choose Continue. The system now displays the master data for material 578. You can scroll to view the details in the page. Note that the system displays the data classified into the 3 main views that we chose. Click on the respective tab page to view the data therein. To return to the SAP Easy Access screen, click Exit.